Namaste. Here is another example of scriptlet tag. Click on web content. We are using the same project. Click on new, go to new, click on file, give any name to the file. Like I am giving the name scriptlet example.jsp. If you are happy with the name, click on finish. Okay. Now we are supposed to write HTML tag. This is an example of scriptlet tag. As you know, scriptlet tag we people write the JSP code. We can write any kind of JSP code, declarations, comments, or we can have calling of functions. So in this example, what I am going to do is I am going to have a simple Java class. So I have started with the scriptlet tag by writing opening angular brackets and percentage, and using the class keyword I am writing class employees, and here I am declaring the instance variables like what we also call member data. For employee code I have declared an int variable emp_code, and for basic salary and provident fund, that is PF, I have declared these two variables with float data type. And for house rent allowance, that is HRA, I have declared this int variable HRA. So as you know, in scriptlet tag you can give the comments using double slashes or /* the same way we give comments in C, C++ and Java. So following is the declaration of class employees. Okay, so here I am going to write down the constructor. As you know, constructor is with the same name as the class name, so I am writing employees, and these are the formal parameters. I am having the formal parameters with the same name as the instance variable names. So you are aware that what we do in the body of the constructor is we assign the values of formal parameters into respective instance variables, because the names are same. Names of the formal parameters and instance variables, they are same. I will be using this keyword of Java to distinguish the instance variables from the formal parameters. So I would write this .emp_code is equal to emp_code, this .basic_salary is equal to basic_salary, this .pf is equal to pf, and this .hr is equal to hr. So what I am doing is I am assigning the values of formal parameters into the respective instance variables. So the next method I am going to write down is which is responsible for calculating the net salary, and that net salary will be put into the variable nsal. The simple formula is basic salary plus HRA minus provident fund, that is PF, and we will be returning the nsal. Okay. So this is end of the class which has been declared in the scriptlet tag. Let me have heading 1 where I would be writing scriptlet tag. Okay. So far so good. We have defined a full-fledged class in the scriptlet tag called employees. So it should have been written as this .emp_code is equal to emp_code. Here emp_code is formal parameter, and this .emp_code pertains to the to the instance variable of the class. So this is end of the class. Now I'm going to have another scriptlet tag. So in this scriptlet tag, what I would be doing is I would be declaring an object of this employees class. Okay, so the syntax goes like name of the class, in this case it is employees, name of the reference variable in which the reference of the created object would be put, assignment operator is equal to, then new keyword employees, and here I am passing the values because I want to execute my constructor. Okay, so this constructor would be executed. Okay, so far so good. Right. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to invoke the function, the member function calc underscore net salary. So out.println net salary is equal to will be printed as it is because of being within double inverted commas plus concatenation symbol, then er.calc underscore net salary. So this method would be called. Okay, so we have come up with two scriptlet tags. Right. So this is your whole class. This is your constructor. Okay. So now what we will be doing is we will be executing our program. Okay, and we will be seeing how the object would be created after the execution of the constructor. Press the right mouse button, go to run as, then run on server. Okay, so let me re-execute the program. Press the right mouse button, then go to run as, run on server. There seems to be some problem. Okay, HTML. I think everything is in place. Okay, let me see. These are the instance variables. Okay, this is our another scriptlet tag. Okay, let me try once again. The program is perfectly okay. There seems to be some problem. I don't know why the program is not executing because everything has been written in proper order. So er.calc underscore net salary. So let's do one thing. What we can do is we can use only one scriptlet tag. In the same scriptlet tag I have declared the class, and in the same scriptlet I would be creating the object. Okay. I think the problem was heading 1 was written within the scriptlet tag. So let's have two scriptlets. Okay, run as, save. Okay, yes, that's it. So net salary has been printed. I'm sorry it took a while to execute the program. Actually the problem was the heading tag was written within the second scriptlet tag. So you can have a look at the program and try it yourself.